Welcome back to Fox Body Rehab, guys. Alright, here's an oldie but a goodie. Anybody out there remember Project Myrtle? Who's been around long enough to remember old Project Myrtle? Anyway, this one, if you don't know about this car, look back at some of the previous videos on this one. That's its name, Project Myrtle, and you'll see why when you look back at some of the videos. But now it sits here occupying some floor space because we're about to rip everything that's not metal off the car. So we're going to take off ground effects kit, spoiler, everything that's already been test fit, make sure it's legit, and then assess what door panels, or I'm sorry, body panels will be okay to quickly repair and which ones might be better to replace. For instance, this passenger door's got a lot of ugly waves. The bumper or the fender's got some marks and a little bit of surface rust on it. So we're going to have to play it by ear. Luckily, we have several pieces to choose from to make our life as easy as possible. Another dent right there on the fender. That's what we're here for. So now we're going to strip it bare and then assess what we have here, and from that we'll be able to make a plan of attack as far as what to do, whether we start working the body or sourcing out replacement parts that are in better condition than what we currently have. So that's kind of what we're teetering on now, but this is our mad rush to get as much done before the new year as we possibly can. If we're able to stay focused on this one, I would expect it to be in paint, being ready for paint somewhere in the neighborhood of 3 weeks to a month. So right about the new year, this one is going to be ready to be sprayed. That's a heck of a way to start out 2020. And it's a custom blend, going with like a dark gray, or actually a light gray mixed with blue metallic. It's going to be pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. 93 Cobra clone entirely out of all Cervini parts. And then the replica wheels. Gorgeous. Man, I love these wheels. They're probably my favorite ones of all the Fox body wheel. I didn't call them rims, so nobody can bash me about the rims. They're wheels. Look at the wheels. Anyway, the old Celine, she's almost done. It started up, ran and drove where you currently see it. I've got to tighten up the sway bar that was loose. Sounded like the front end was going to fall off from underneath of it in a drive. Come to find out the sway bar is not tight. So I got to tighten up the sway bar. I'll do that now. It's leaking something. Appears to be coming out of the Havoc drain for the AC. Who knows what's in there? Heck, I guess it could be a heater core leaking into the box, which is pouring out of the bottom. I'm not scared, whatever. I mean, I've already done so much to this car. Who cares? What else are you going to throw at me? Looking prettiful. Anyway, brand new front bumper cover with Cobra insert. We got new lights, new just about everything. Almost my entire upstairs above my kitchen area is all Project Myrtle's brand new parts in the box. Well, guys, stick with us. We're about to do this thing. Project Myrtle lives again. Okay. It's like 10:30 at night. Got everything off the car except those door moldings, which we'll be pulling off tomorrow. Be taking out the quarter glass, but for now I want to leave the car sealed just in case it has to go outside. The trim is off the front and rear windows. Tail lights are gone. Rear bumper's off. Found some other little surprises here. Pretty nice little cave in right there, and here. Pretty nice little dents. Unexpected fun. Get those beat out best we can. Luckily they're hidden behind all the ground effects, so yay. Pull the door handles and locks. Antenna's off. All the cowl stuff is off. The front bumper's off. Detrimmed. Gonna pull the 5.0 badges off of it. Tomorrow begins body work. Gonna split the car in half and work our way around. Starting with these dents on the fenders. Just how gnarly those are. The hood looked pretty good. It's not going to take much to get that out. The cowl was nice. The door's got some waves. It's going to take a little bit. The quarter panel's not bad. It's got a couple of dings. Definitely have our work cut out for us, but it's all going to be worth it when it's painted. So stay tuned. Project Myrtle, the revitalization. She's about to get gung-ho, that's for sure. Subscribe, like, share, tell your people. This is going to be a pretty cool car when it's done.